I'm just eating chicken and rice, but real talk, I need to do another eating monkey video, a trolling monkey video, for sure. You know what I'm saying? You know, brother. A lot of y'all be asking me a bunch of questions. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just keep producing content for y'all niggas, bro. Cause y'all be asking me like a bunch of questions. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all be asking me a bunch of questions about my dreads, bro. Y'all look. A bit too hot. My mama. Merch that's coming soon. We just gonna be doing a lot of stuff. My abilities are limitless. You know what I'm saying? Once I get this weekend situated, we're gonna get back on the public interviews. You know what I'm saying? And my cousin say, "Oh, you fucking that shit up." You know right. It's low key cold. But I ain't ate no breakfast, so what else we doing today? I really just got this video for y'all, that's it. Y'all know I usually double upload, but this video, and that's it for the day. I'm see once I edit this video. I'm done with my lunch. Bill busting no cap. Bill busting no cap. A lot of y'all be asking me like, how do I stop my scalp from, like, your scalp itch real bad? That's usually because you proactive, like you play sports and stuff like that. But with me, my scalp really don't itch too bad, but sometimes it do be itching. Sometimes they do be itching, but it really don't itch too bad. What really bothers me is like when my dreads be getting to my face and that junk be laying on my face. You know what I'm saying? It junk be like, I don't know, it just be bothering me sometimes. But other than, oh yeah, also when I lay down too, because I don't wear no do-rag. You know what I'm saying? I don't wear no do-rag because I don't like tying it, all that type. I don't like doing all that. You know what I'm saying? I don't be having the patience. You know what I'm saying? But we about to get right into this hair review though. It's a simple hair review. It's a simple tutorial. So if y'all haven't, really, to sum up this hair review, all you gotta do is be in 2-strand twist. And if you don't know how I got my 2-strand twist, I got a whole video on that. So make sure y'all check out my channel. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's get straight into the hair review. Let's go. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, right? Don't even get distracted by the fan. Alright, I gotta we come in here with a very quick tutorial, a very quick review, whatever. I've been getting a whole bunch of requests from this, bro. A lot of people, oh, you look like, and I'm tired of people saying I look like Carti, bro. I'm tired of people saying I look like Melly. It don't matter if I'm on the game, on YouTube, on the Monkey app, people still gonna say what they want to say. You know what I'm saying? But just a quick review of my hair and, like, you know what I'm saying, with the phases that I'm going through and how I even got my hair like this if you haven't been on my channel. But first off and foremost, make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's walk out here. I'm tired of hearing this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. This ain't no better either, is it? Alright, so look, first thing first, man. Make sure I follow all my social medias right here. You know what I'm saying? Also link in the description, so make sure y'all go check that out right now. Let's hop straight into it. You know what I'm saying? So first thing first, bro, I've been growing my dreads for how long? For about 2 years. You know what I'm saying? Been growing these jokers for about 2 years. Just now 2 years, actually. About to be, yeah, 2 years. They in a 2-strand twist, so you're not gonna get the full length of them. But I'm pretty sure they go, I want to say to my chin. You know what I'm saying? I want to say this right here goes down to my chin. That's what I want to say. But even I haven't seen them without it being 2-strand twisted up. And it's been 2-strand twisted up for like 3 months now. 2.5, 3 months. You know what I'm saying? And this is how long I usually keep the twist in, but I'm keeping them in for a longer period of time. This time too is also because the thing with me is when I go back and get a retwist, I'm gonna get the 2-strand twist again. You know what I'm saying? So, and plus like the retwist lasts longer. Like if I go up to somebody right now, they'll be like, oh, I like your hair. It's like it's been freshly retwisted. I promise to God. You know what I'm saying? Every time I go up to people, the first thing they notice is my hair, and that's because it looks like it's been freshly retwisted. I mean, you can say not the roots. The roots don't look like it's been freshly retwisted, but this part right here, the new growth that she retwisted, that part makes the whole hairstyle just look fresh. You know what I'm saying? So at the same time, it's just a fresh look. But this is the Playboi Carti look. All it is, bro, is when you have your dreads, right? All it is, bro, is a 2-strand twist. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going with no red hair dye. I'm not painting my fingernails. We not doing none of that. You know what I'm saying? We coming straight. We coming straight out the retwist with it. You feel me? And if you haven't already, make sure I go check out my retwist video. I'll be posting a ton of videos. One day I might post 3 videos. One day I might post 1 video. But just know, bro, Up Next Mal ain't missing no videos. You hear me?